How to make money on the internet without using your own cash. Let's go! It is a fact, not a day goes past in the internet world, someone will just scream out saying they don't make money. They don't have enough funds to start an online business. So if you are watching this video and you hold on to that belief, or you know someone who share that same belief too, well, maybe there's an alternative I would like you to consider. What if there is a solution? What if there is a way to make money on the internet without using your own cash? So when you finally do make some money, would you reinvest it back into try and start your own business and kick off your own marketing career? Could you even just spend $1 that you've made on the internet on a tool such as a 30-day Builderall account? If this is of interest to you, then keep watching and I will show you exactly how. Just a quick commercial. If you have enjoyed these videos, then please consider supporting this channel. And you can do that right now by clicking the like button, subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification button. Also, don't forget to check out the description below this video as well as my official website. Thank you so much. Let's go on with the video. In this short video, I'll be discussing the various topics. Right now, I'm going to acknowledge there are multiple ways to make money on the internet. Today, I'm just going to focus on the no money down strategy. And we can do this by visiting two websites. One website allows you to do user testing and another one provides you survey testing. These are the notes that I want you to take care of. This is certainly not a get rich scheme and I'm just sharing my experiences which really work. But most of all, you got to understand you also must do the work and there is no guarantee that you will make money. So let's proceed. So the first website I'd like to introduce to you is called TryMyUI. It's a platform that will interact with businesses, small businesses, medium enterprise. They have designed websites but not quite ready to release it to the world. And the reason being, they still need a lot of testing, a lot of feedback from their testers. And in our case, we want to register as a tester, grab those assignments, do a job well and get paid. So the first thing you like to do is click on the get paid to test button, register, put in a profile, put in the type of demographic you belong to, and then in time to come, you'll get assignments allocated to you in your inbox. And these are what it looks like on your inbox. You get emails coming in, depending on how much tests you've done for them, how long you've been on their platform. They may or may not start bombarding you with lots of assignments. In this case, you can see in my inbox, one day alone, I've got over 5 assignments waiting for me to be tested. Now inside there is not junk mail, it's not spam. Read it very carefully. It gives you very special instructions on what to do next. And once you're happy with the assignment, you can go and log on to the website. Now, one of the things you must download, whether you're a Mac user or Windows or even a Linux user, you got to install their recorder. Now, each platform has its own program. I'm not sure which one you use, but choose the appropriate one and install it. And make sure you have the latest one. Otherwise, the assignments won't work. So once you're inside the website, on the dashboard itself, there will be assignments that be listed that you may qualify. And in my case, it's split over 2 sections. There's one for the desktop and one for the mobile section. Again, for the mobile section, you got to download the apps, install it properly, and then you can start running the assignments. So here I've been presented two separate ID for 2 separate assignments that I may want to do. So I'm going to go on to the next screen and I'll explain a little bit more. Now in this screen here, there's a bit of a prerequisite because they want to make sure everyone who become a tester is fully qualified. So you got to make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your desktop, and you must not be using VPN because otherwise there'll be an obstacle. It will block a lot of cookies and you can't continue. So make sure you hit yes, I meet the requirements to go on to the next step. And the next step might be something like this. It also got very special requirements. It's listed here in the criteria here. As you can see, you've got to be an insurance agent or broker. You've got to be working in commercials or specialty insurance, and so on and so on and so on. Again, if you do meet that requirements, you can click on the button and you can load up the test and start doing assignments. Now, once those assignments are done and you've done a job well, you'll see on your dashboard you will get paid. And you can see on my inbox, this is not last year, this is not 2 years ago, this is even quite recent, 2021. I got paid $10 US. So it's proof that it actually works, and again, it works for me. You might give that a try. Alrighty, the second website that I'd like to talk to you about is called Purkle. Now Purkle is different in the sense that you're not asked to do any testing, any recording on the website. The only function you need to perform is to answer multiple choice questions. Now sometimes it can take as little as 2 or 3 minutes, sometimes could even take 15 to 20 minutes. And the more longer it takes, the more you get paid. But mind you, you don't get paid a lot. So if you'd like to join, you need to click on the Join Now button. And once you enter all your profile demographic questions and answers, you'll be able to get information and you get assignments through your inbox. In this case, this is one example I've got from Purkle. And inside there, they give you an instruction of what the assignment's going to be about and what's the maximum that you'll be able to pay. And it tells you also how long this will take, between 6 to 10 minutes. Okay, once you're in there, you accept the assignment. This is what it will look like. It's going to guide you step by step of what's required of you. And from all the tests I've done, the first page is going to ask you for your age, what gender you belong to, where do you live, and then you can proceed by clicking on the next button to the next part of the test. It's very simple, straightforward, even a grade 4 kid can do. Now, if you decide you go ahead with the test and you perform the test thoroughly all the way, you'll get paid. And I know you get paid minimum 20 cents. I've get paid more than that before. Now this website is genuine. It's been there a long time, more than 10 years. I've used this to build up bit by bit over a little bit over cash. And the cash, what I mean by cash is, once you build enough points, you can claim these gift cards electronically. And with these gift cards, I would convert them into something tangible. Maybe I buy like perhaps like a portable hard disk. And I use that portable hard disk, which is a new unit. I sell it on eBay, Gumtree, whatever platform you'll take. And I use that cash and use it towards funding towards building a offline business, which is what I'm doing. And I have been doing. So I hope you can find encouragement on these two websites and give you a bit of motivation, and not to give yourself an excuse to say you don't have enough money, you can't make money on the internet without any using of your own money. Well, this is not true. Use this as an inspiration, and hopefully you'll be able to invest in your own business with a tool such as the $1 30-day trial of Builderall account. So I'll leave all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Hello again, and thank you so much for viewing this video. In the comment sections below, don't forget to put your questions, your opinions, and your requests. I do read them. I've got more videos here for you to enjoy. And please, if you like to support this channel, I would love it if you can click on the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.